Did you know that it's easy to get an AC power source inside your vehicle? That way you can plug in most things that require a regular AC plug. Now, whether you need to plug in your laptop while you're working in the field, or you need an outlet for all of your kids' devices, these power adapters come in handy. The outlets work much the way a conventional household wall outlet works. This one here has 120 watts of power and an additional USB port that you can plug in multiple electronics at the same time. A USB port is perfect for charging your phone and other devices without an AC plug. This one here has 130 watts of power and a high-powered dual USB port for fast charging. That way your phone can charge up quickly while you're on the go. You can find all of these accessories at your local AutoZone. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.